Remote control and photo apps are available on Android phones and tablet devices via Bluetooth. GE's remote control app allows users to operate the LOGIQ P9 from an Android smart device. GE's Photo Assistant app allows users to acquire photos of relevant anatomy and include them with the clinical images via an Android smart device. Thank you for joining today. For more information on the LOGIQ P9 and the most up-to-date list of probe disinfectants and cleaners, please access our GE Healthcare website at gehealthcare.com. Thank you.